Hi Big Spring, my name is Lauren Schenk, and today I'm here with Emily Parrish, and we are here to tell you about the potential move from the Mid-Penn League to the Tri-Valley League. This has been holding quite conflict at Big Spring between athletes, coaches, and parents.
Some are for it and some are against it, and we sat down with some of the coaches and athletes to find out their opinion.
The schools that we would play in the Tri-Valley League would be East Juniata, Greenwood, Juniata, Susquehanna, Line Mountain, Upper Dauphin, Millersburg, Halifax, and Newport.
How would moving to Tri-Valley League affect Big Spring?
Well, transportation will be a little bit longer, but the effect I see, I think it gives our kids a better opportunity to be more competitive. In the Mid-Penn, we've only won 38% of the events that we've participated in.
Girls basketball coach Randy Jones is for the move.
I'm in favor of moving to Tri-Valley because I think it's what's best for our entire athletic population. But looking at all the sports in general, I think it's the best thing for our kids.
How will moving to Tri-Valley affect our basketball teams?
It's really no different. We are at the lowest division there is in Mid-Penn. So now if we go to the Tri-Valley, we will be one of the top, I guess, divisions you could say over there, but we're still competing in District 3.
The girls volleyball coach, Kara Ronda, does not want to move.
Why don't you want to move to Tri-Valley?
There's a number of reasons why I would not like to see us move to Tri-Valley. One of them is the education. Students are going to be pulled out of school a lot earlier, taken away from class time, taken away from homework, because then that adds to travel time. You're going to be traveling places that are over an hour long. Some sports play right after school, so that leads to an early dismissal. In our sport, we play later in the evening, so we're pushing, close to 11 to 12 o'clock getting home. So when are kids supposed to do their homework?
Les Stover, the swimming coach, does not entirely agree with the idea of moving, but he sees the pros and cons of both. What are your initial thoughts about hearing the idea of moving to Tri-Valley?
It's kind of a tough sell right away because I've been coaching since the Mid-Penn started. When I first started coaching, the Mid-Penn started the same year. So this is what we're all used to. It's not really an all or none question because there are some teams that will not benefit from going to Tri-Valley. Cross country and swimming, Tri-Valley doesn't sponsor leagues for, so it's not a good move for those two sports. Some other sports I think would be beneficial to, simply because of comparison of size of schools.
Brennan Forey, a student athlete here at Big Spring, does not entirely agree with the idea of a move. As an athlete, what are your initial thoughts about hearing the idea of moving to Tri-Valley?
I never really heard of the Tri-Valley League before. I sort of knew what it was, but once I started to do some more research on it, I figured out that it was sort of a step down, and I didn't really like the idea of it. And then I found out about the bus rides would be 2 hours long, and I just didn't really like the idea of it then.
Reporting live from Miss Schneider's class, I'm Emily.
And I'm Lauren, and this has concluded your news.